Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. So as you guys know, I'm on my debt-free journey this year. Well, until I'm debt free, really. So the method that I'm using to pay off my debt is the debt snow avalanche payment method. And I know a lot of people use the debt snowball method. If you want to see the difference between the two, there's lots of videos here on YouTube for that. But before I jump into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So the first thing that you want to do if you're going to be using the debt snow avalanche method is to actually know the interest rates for your debt, because the way how this payment work is paying off the highest debt first with the highest interest rate. So that's what I'm going to do. This video is going to be quick and short, as I'm only organizing my debts to the interest rate. Okay, so I'm going to put them in order as well. So the first one that I have is my LL, and this is my overdraft, and that's at a rate of 49.9%. and my statement date for this is daily, so I'm charged daily for any interest that I do use. Then the next thing that I have is my aqua, and that's at 40.534, and my statement date for this is the 20th of every month. Then I have my months. The interest rate for this is 39%, and this is also daily. Then I have my banks, and the interest rate for this is 34.08, and the statement date for this is on the 14th of every month. And this is then my LLCC, and this is 25.80, and my statement for this is on the 23rd of every month. Then I have my LL loan, which is at 1980, and this statement is on the 1st of every month. Then I have my CC, and this is at 19.56, and this comes out on the 8th of every month. And then I have O2, which is my phone supplier, so I don't pay anything for that. And then I have Suki, and I don't pay any interest on that as well. So as you guys can see, for my debts, what I'm going to be doing, if I can just bring you guys in a little bit closer. Here we go. I'm just going to bring you in a bit. So basically what I am going to be focusing on now is to be reducing my debt based on the actual interest rate, as the highest interest rate I have is my overdraft, which is at 49%, then followed by Aqua. But because this card is almost paid off and my overdraft balance is minimum, I'm going to be working on the rest of my credit cards to bring them down, so that way when I do have the extra cash, it goes into my overdraft and I can reuse it again. Yeah, so this was just a quick video to show you how to organize your debt snow avalanche payments. And this is what I'm going to use to determine which debt I'm going to be paying first, because obviously the higher the interest rate is, the more interest you're paying for that loan. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for some more videos. Bye.